And this is stimulating and it's balancing. What do you think? How are you feeling, model?
Trying to relax myself. I'm just trying to breathe it out for I'm not so crazy. But it feels really good. I feel like it's easy to breathe a little bit when you're doing in the center of the.
Okay, right in here.
Yeah,
So
I feel like I can breathe a lot easier.
And where is that? When you look at the chakras of the body, where is that? That's in your heart, your solar plex, your spleen area, right in here. Yeah, yeah. So it's opening her up. And then, of course, you finish with a figure 8. Now, figure 8 is always, it's like infinity. So it's infinity, and it's just the circle of life. It's a very healing technique. And then you draw the Cancer wand off, and then you very gently draw off.